Good morning, guys. Welcome to Fun Friday with Mrs. Stevenson. Today, we are going to try and make fireworks in a jar. So, what we need is a clear jar or container that's got some warm water in it. We need food coloring, vegetable oil, or olive oil I think should work, and we have a glass bowl. And I did put my things on a plate so that I do not make a mess. Now, I'm going to let you guys watch the plate. Our first step is to add a little bit of oil to our small bowl. Just a little bit, maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons. If you want to be precise, you can use a measuring spoon. That's about 2 tablespoons, a little bit more. Here we go. All right. Next, you want to take your food coloring and put just a few dots in of each color that you want. So I'll put a little bit of yellow, just a few dots. All right. Next, I will do some blue. Now, the color is not spreading like it would if I put it in water because oil is denser than water. Or more dense, I think I should say. What do you think is going to happen when I put the oil into the warm water? What do you think? We will find out, won't we? Okay, so I have my food coloring in each of my, oh hi puppy dog, in each of my colors in the oil. Okay, so I'm done with those supplies. Next, we are going to see if we can make the fireworks. Now the idea behind this is that the oil is encasing the colors. And that when it drops into the water, since it is more dense than water, the oil will go to the bottom, and then the colors should start to dissolve, which should create like a pop. Now, I wish I had something higher to put my thing on so you can see. Maybe I'll just hold it up. I'll just hold it up. Well, let's see if it's going to make fireworks. We made mud again. Let's see, the oil is still at the top because it is more dense, it's denser. I do see oil bubbles. That was strange. It did make some fireworks when it first went in though. Did you see how they all dissolved and popped? That was kind of cool. All right, I want to try again. Maybe if we used one color. Yeah, you can see now the fireworks going off inside. If you look really closely at yours at home. Let's try with just one color. Let's try one color. One. Okay, so we have another clear container with warm water. I'm going to pour Let me see if I can do this. Maybe if we did it in like a spoon or something. Let's try a new variable. Let's try a new variable. See if that makes any difference. Get down, puppy. What are you doing? Okay, so now I have a smaller container. We're going to put a little bit of oil in the tablespoon measuring spoon. Since we're only doing one color. So we have a little bit of oil. And let's try it with blue. Notice I'm still doing it over my plate. Okay. Do you see how the oil turned the food coloring into spheres? Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Look, oh, it popped. It did pop. We have some more color over here that might pop once it drops. Come on, drop. Drop. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's making some fireworks for us. It's making some fireworks. Cool. Look at that. Fireworks. And we still have a little bit more. Very interesting. Ooh, look at that. That was kind of cool. Let's hold it up a little straighter here. There's a glare. Okay. Look at all that. Now I wonder what would happen if we added red next. Maybe we do one color at a time. Now if we add red to our blue, are we making a new color, do you think? I think so too. It's a little oil. Don't know if it'll work the second time, but it's worth a second try, right? A couple of drops. Boop, boop, boop. And let's add some red to our blue here. Nice and slow. Look, it made some more fireworks. Very, very, oh, and it did turn it purple because blue and red make purple. I'm trying to find a good way to show you guys. Look, there's still some red food coloring on the top that might drop down. Look how it separated the oil and the water. Wish I could figure this out. Haha! You can see. Maybe. You can see. Kinda. Okay. But that's okay because we made some fireworks in a glass. Now, like I said, that happens because when the food coloring starts to come away from the oil, it'll dissolve in the water. And that'll make it spread out and look like a firework. Okay, cool. Cool. We saw a few fireworks today. That's awesome. So I will see you guys next week, okay? I hope you guys have a great weekend. It's supposed to be really beautiful tomorrow. Get outside and enjoy some sunshine in your yard. Bye.